Hi everyone, welcome back to Page Pulse by Lee. Imagine you're in your favorite bookstore. You pick up a book you have been dreaming of, and then you realize you don't have cash. What do? Don't worry, India's got you covered with something incredible called UPI.
आज दुनिया का 46% रियल टाइम डिजिटल ट्रांजैक्शन भारत में होता है।
Did you know no other country has anything like it? Let me tell you why UPI is India's pride, and now it's changing lives today and for the future. UPI or Unified Payments Interface is one of India's most remarkable achievements. It's not just a payment system, it's a revolution, a system that has connected every Indian to a simple, secure and super fast way to send and receive money. And guess what? From street vendors to online business, everyone is using it. Today, we'll explore what makes UPI so special, how it's helping millions, and why the whole world is looking at India with amazement. Okay, let's break it down. UPI is like a magical thread that links all banks in India to one system. Instead of carrying cash or remembering long account numbers, you just need a smartphone and a UPI app like Google Pay, Paytm or PhonePe. With a few taps, your payment is done instantly, anytime, anywhere. It's so simple that even kids can explain it to their parents. India is the first country in the world to create something as efficient as UPI. Over 10 billion transactions happen through UPI every single month. Can you believe it? That's more than population of the entire world. What makes this even more special is that UPI is for everyone. Whether you're shopping online, paying your school fees or buying fruits from a vendor, UPI has got your back. This shows how India is leading the world in innovation. And here's the coolest part. Countries like the USA, UK and even China haven't been able to create something like UPI. Isn't that a reason to feel proud? Let me share some real life examples of how UPI is changing lives. A small tea vendor in Bengaluru told my dad that UPI helped him grow his business. Now even people without cash can buy tea from him. My mom used UPI to quickly pay the plumber last week, and it saved her so much hassle. Our family donated to a nearby animal shelter using UPI, and they told us how easy it's become for them to get funds and take better care of the animals. From big cities to small villages, UPI is helping everyone. Now, some of you might wonder, what about safety? Well, UPI is super secure. Every transaction needs a unique PIN, which only you know. It uses advanced technology to protect your money from fraud. If you lose your phone, you can block your UPI account instantly. So, you can relax knowing that your money is in safe hands. Here's something else that's amazing. Because of UPI, people are using less cash. Do you know what that means? Less printing of paper money, which saves trees and helps the environment. It reduces the risk of carrying cash, which can get lost or stolen. Transactions are faster and cleaner, especially during times like the pandemic when we avoided touching cash. UPI is helping us move towards a smarter and greener and more digital future. UPI has made life easier in so many ways. Instant payments, No more waiting in long queues at the bank. No extra costs. Sending money through UPI is absolutely free for everyone, from school students to senior citizens. Anyone can use UPI. Businesses thrive. Small shopkeepers can now sell more because they accept digital payments. It's not just a payment system, it's a way of life for millions of Indians. Many countries have tried to create systems like UPI, but none have succeeded. Here's why. In India, banks work together under NPCI, making UPI possible. Our government has fully supported UPI through the Digital India initiative. India's affordable internet and massive smartphone usage make UPI accessible to everyone. Other countries don't have this combination of teamwork, technology and vision. That's what makes UPI truly Indian and truly unique. This means UPI will not only help us today, but will also make life easier for future generations. UPI is more than just a way to pay. It's a story of India's brilliance, a gift to our country, and an example to the world. So the next time you use UPI, remember, you're a part of something truly incredible. What do you think about UPI? Do you use it every day? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts. I hope you love learning about this amazing system. For more exciting videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned to my channel. Until my next video, stay curious and keep reading. Signing off, Page Pulse by me. See you next time.
देविया संजना बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका।